Wild horses literally started in an alleyway located off the back of my studio that I lived when I first moved out. We had a little space back there. We would buy a wrecked Bronco and part it out. There was no Facebook Marketplace. There was no Craigslist. Everything was done with this little mini merchant paper. It was very much local. After a while, we moved into a shop on School Street. That was maybe 4,000 or 5,000 square feet. I realized that we could not only part out Broncos, but we could sell new parts that we got from whatever name brands there were, and we started to design our own parts. Then we started running ads in the back of some of the four-wheel drive magazines, and soon we needed a bigger place, so we moved up to El Dorado Street in Stockton into an old former car dealership there, and we had a lot more space, a lot of elbow room, so we could grow. Fast forward that to now we've moved up to Lodi, California, and into another former car dealership. This was actually a Ford dealership back in the day, and we take up about 41,000 square feet. 98% of that is classic Ford Bronco parts. One thing, I definitely want to thank everybody for all the support over the years. We're super excited that our horizons are now expanding with the arrival of the new Bronco. And we hope and pray that everybody will come along, continue the journey with us as we do more stuff and different stuff. And we also continue in our classic Bronco parts as well. Those are going to be in our blood forever. I don't think they'll ever get out of there, but it's also exciting to do something new.